maybe to start with Mr. Barkan. He can come and give his elevator pitch and then followed by the others. Please.
Pasha ki elevator pitch then
You can.
So, Assalamualaikum ji, thank you very much. First of all, मैं thank करना चाहूँगा अमित साहब का इस point sorry. So I would like to thank him in a way because I have dealt with many embassies in the past, many high commissioners in the past. Nowhere I've seen the High Commissioner himself sending out WhatsApp messages because, and I mean, generally the lower staff is dealing with us, and the way he has coordinated, it's like it's almost like a customer service that we get. And I was like, the document that we got with all the details of when you are going to get from the airport, how you're going to, I mean, the way the Danish embassy dealt us, the way our visas were processed, everything was simply amazing. And I think you guys are lucky to have an ambassador like him. Pakistanis don't get generally ambassadors like that. So it's a very good thing that you have. That it's an honor that we came here, and we were supported by such a team. मेरा अपना जो introduction है, I'm part of also recently retired chairman of Pakistan Software House Association. I was part of the Prime Minister's Task Force on IT. I'm currently advising the KP Science and Technology Minister. My personal area of passion is I lobbied for the Special Technology Zone, the benefits that we have in the Special Technology Zone. With Pasha, we basically push those benefits to the government. Now STZ is becoming a reality. Recently, we also lobbied for, while I was the chairman, we also got a 5.6 billion package from the government of Pakistan, where every company who has been exporting from Pakistan will get a 5% cash reward. So it will be a gift to every IT company exports. To them to export, they will get a 5% cash reward and a 1 billion rupee program to actually train our youth in the latest skills. So a lot of things are happening in the IT space in Pakistan, और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो हैं मैं आप लोगों को ये कहूँगा कि पाकिस्तान में इस वक्त IT sector जो है it's growing off very fast. There are so many opportunities. The problem that we have now is not getting business. It's the opposite problem. We need to find people. We need to train our people, and I think still the role that you guys can play is very important because we are poor marketers of ourselves as well as our nation. We need to improve that, and I think we need to learn from a lot of other communities on how their overseas people have lobbied as well as generated business for their businesses back in their own countries. I don't want to take name because this is an official embassy. But you know very well who I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So I think this is a good start, and with the Danish market, I think my belief is that overseas Pakistanis can be a pillar to us. I know that I have lived here for a while in Copenhagen. I know that the Danish are very focused on their own people and they want offices here. So even if we have very good products, it is necessity for us to have people here who can sell for us. So that's it for my Pasha introduction. My company, we specialize in on-demand platforms. So startups like, if you're building a startup like Airlift, probably we are the company you would contact. So we have built one of the largest last mile delivery platform in Nigeria. It's a $200 million company now. We have also built one of the biggest grocery delivery companies in Kuala Lumpur. We built the technology for them. Now they are independent companies. We have similarly recently built in Norway, we have built a handyman services platform, and we are now working in blockchain-based solution. Our way of working is that we create our own intellectual property, our own products, and sell it to different customers all over the world. And we have been in business for like 14 years. Thank you very much.